parallel universes of the human mind. It's not about living together. It's about living well together. Breathe like that. When we are living together, we can create lots of joy, also sufferings. Those people who lived with us or who are living with us would say, wow, living together is giving us a lot of joy. While some others would say, wow, living together gives us a lot of pain too. It sounds like they are right. However, let me put it this way. Maybe living together is not the causation of both joy and suffering. Maybe it has nothing to do with joy or pain, suffering. Maybe not knowing how to live together very well. Maybe not living together very well causes the pain and suffering. Maybe helping each other is the causation of the joy. Okay, open your eyes, please. We tend to blame others or us easily because it's kind of logical, sometimes effective. It's making sense. But if we put it that way, wow, it's kind of we are saying we are in the trap forever. That means while we are living, especially as a human, we live together. Then it's like we are saying to us, we are in the trap and we cannot get out of the pain or suffering anyway, anyhow. Even we get a lot of joy out of it, still there will be pain and suffering. Oh, that's kind of very heavy, right? Correct? But maybe if we put it this way, like, oh, we each other have not known yet a better way, the right way to live together. We have not learned, maybe from each other, or maybe from another happy living beings, about how to live well together. Maybe usually they get married when they were in love. They didn't see what's coming. Right? So, when it bitters, it's even more bitter. While you are expecting more sweetness, when the bitterness comes, it's really bitter. Correct? See that? We need to learn how to live together very well. And this is very important, very, very important techniques, skills, and way of living, coexisting. Not just survival, but for thriving, living together very well, right? And we start from the well-being of mind and body. Your mind and your body, how are they living together? Are they enjoying well-being or what? Okay, so start from there. Make sense?